What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can pay using your phone contactlessly with Revolut. So let's get started. So first off, once you open up your Revolut account, to enable contactless payments with Revolut, you would need to go to your cards section right in the upper right corner. From there, go ahead and select the card that you would like to enable contactless payments for. So let's say the standard card. Now this screen is probably blurred for you, but on this screen you can go to the settings and then enable contactless payments for that card, which most of the videos show how to do. But to enable contactless payments with your phone, so if you don't have your physical card on hand, you can do that by simply adding your Revolut card to Google Pay. So on the card screen, just go ahead and tap Add to Google Pay, and then tap Add to Wallet. From there, tap on Continue. Now just accept the issuer terms. And now your Revolut card is added to Google Pay, and you can pay contactlessly by just putting your phone near to a card reader device. But before doing so, you would need to turn on the NFC on your phone. So just tap on Turn on NFC. And now the NFC is turned on, and we can just pay using this Revolut card when we put it near the card reader device. So using this method, you can also add any Revolut card that you have, being a one-time card or a virtual card. And that's how you can enable paying with your phone contactlessly with Revolut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.